Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to manage your team member roles and permissions in Podpal. Okay, let's get started. From the Team Management tab under Show Settings, you can add and delete team members and manage their roles and access levels. As the podcast owner, you can add and delete team members, manage team roles and project access, update podcast settings and details, publish episodes, and delete the podcast. Admins can add new team members, update podcast settings and details, publish podcast episodes, but cannot delete team members or delete the podcast. Editors can update podcast settings and details and publish podcast episodes. To change a team member's role or project access, click into the current value to see the available options. Settings will automatically be saved after making a selection. To delete a team member, you will need to be the owner of the podcast. Click the three dots on the team member's row and click Remove. The team member will be removed from this podcast and will no longer have access to settings or published content. If you have more questions about project access, hover over the information icon or visit our Help Center to learn more about Podpal's features. Okay, that's all. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert.